Received orders given. Expect results. It's Airdrop Sniper here.
Hello, this is Airdrop Sniper. In this video, I'll remind you about the airdrop tasks for Backpack. This might be the last chance to join. Let's take a closer look at this opportunity. I've mentioned Backpack in previous videos and Telegram posts. 10 months ago, Solana-related tasks were trending. Many participated early back then. Today, I remind you Backpack for its potential. Backpack has received massive investments. They secure in total $37 million. It runs a wallet integrated with its exchange. The Backpack wallet is efficient and easy to use. Its ecosystem offers great potential for rewards. Expectations are high for a Backpack token launch. Venture capital investments support this idea. Investors aim for returns during this bull market. This token launch could be highly lucrative. It aligns perfectly with current market trends. Past DEX projects like Bluefin show great results. Tokens yielded 3x to 10x returns. Hyperliquid offered 50x to 500x returns. These set expectations for what's possible. Backpack's hype suggests similar opportunities. Here's how to prepare for Backpack's airdrop. First, visit the Backpack website and create an account. Complete the KYC verification if required. Next, install the Backpack wallet from Google Extensions. Fund your wallet with Solana or other supported tokens. Deposit in Backpack from your wallet. Note that you will need Solana for transfer fee. Now all you need is generating trading volume in spot. Unfortunately, future trading is not available yet. Be patient and generate as much as you can. You will be rewarded. Smaller amounts can work with repeated trades. Check the Rewards tab for quests and events. Complete tasks to maximize your potential rewards. Backpack rewards active users with partner airdrops. Maintain trading volumes for better benefits. Revisit and complete periodic quests regularly. This increases your chances of securing rewards. Don't miss out on this opportunity. That's all for today's guide on Backpack. I hope this helps you prepare for its next airdrop. Stay tuned for more undervalued opportunities. For every airdrop distribution updates, follow my Telegram. Also, I have a website where I gathered only airdrop projects backed by best VCs or most credible influencers. So don't hesitate to check it out. Links are in the description.